In this video, we are going to see how to subtract two matrices. Actually, we can do subtraction of two matrices if they have the same order. For example, let us consider two matrices A and B. Let the order of the matrix be m by n. That is, the matrix A contains m number of rows and n number of columns. Let the order of the matrix B also be the same. That is m by n. That is, the matrix B contains m number of rows and n number of columns. So here the two matrices A and B have the same order m by n. So then we can do subtraction of these two matrices. That is, we can find either A negative B or B negative A. So A negative B means we subtract the matrix B from A. So B negative A means we subtract the matrix A from B. So both A negative B and B negative A are defined. The reason is the two matrices A and B have the same order. But A negative B and B negative A are not equal because subtraction of two matrices is not commutative. Okay, now based on this stuff, let's look at some examples. Here we have subtraction of two matrices. Okay, so I just want to make sure the subtraction of these two matrices is defined or not. So for that, I have to check whether the given two matrices have the same order. Okay, first let's write the order of the first matrix. So in the first matrix, we have two rows. So whenever I write the order of a matrix, I have to write the number of rows first. Then I have to write the number of columns, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. So the order of the first matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, now let's write the order of the second matrix. We have 2 rows and 3 columns. So we have the same order in the second matrix also. That is 2 by 3. Okay, since given two matrices are the same order, we will be able to subtract these two matrices. Okay, to do subtraction of these two matrices, what we need to do is we have to do a simple work. That is, we have to subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, let's take the first element of the first one, the first matrix. Let me write it over here. I'm writing this subtraction over here. Now, how to take the corresponding element in the second matrix? That is the first element of the first row, which is 2. So the same thing I have to do for each element. Let me take the second element over here, 3, and we have subtraction. Then the second element over here, 3, negative 1. Then we have 7, negative 9. So we just have to subtract the corresponding elements. And 0, negative 7. And we have negative 5 over here. And subtraction 4. And we have 4 negative of negative 2. Okay, now we have to simplify this. Okay, here 4 negative of negative 2. When I multiply this negative and negative, it will become positive. So this one will become 4 positive 2. Okay, 5 negative 2 is 3. 3 negative 1 is 2. 7 negative 9 is negative 2. 0 negative 7 is negative 7. Negative 5 negative 4 will become negative 9. And 4 positive 2 will become 6. So this is the result of the subtraction of the given two matrices. Okay, let's look at one more example. Here we have subtraction of two matrices. Okay, so the order of the first matrix is 2 by 2 because we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of the second matrix is also the same because 2 rows and 2 columns. So both the matrices have the same order, so we can subtract these two matrices. So the same thing what we have done in the previous example, that is we have to subtract the corresponding elements. So 1 negative 0, then 3 negative 7, then we have negative 5 negative of negative 2, then 0 negative of negative 4. So I have subtracted the corresponding elements. Okay, now let's simplify this. 1 negative 0 is 1. 3 negative 7 is negative 4. And here we have negative 5. Negative times negative will become positive 2. And 0. Negative times negative will become positive 4. Okay, here we have 1. And the simplification of negative 5 positive 2 is negative 3 and negative 4. So here the simplification of this one is just 4. So this is a result of the subtraction of the given two matrices. In case the order of the two matrices are not same, then you will not be able to do subtraction of the two matrices. So So in that case, so the result we have to write is undefined. That means the subtraction of the two matrices is undefined when two matrices have different orders.